So yeah, the last non-Can-Am thing, it does look a little funny, I guess. We got used to it here, but that's my toolbox. So all the Can-Am stuff is Linq system, L-I-N-Q, and it's this latch here. So you could turn both latches and that lifts right off. You can see, all I did, they actually sell those Linq parts. Those are spare parts to one of their Linq coolers. And all I did was just bought the spare parts, and instead of paying $200 for a Linq cooler, I went to Harbor Freight and bought this waterproof huge box, retrofitted the Linq system onto it, and it's completely full of tools. Any tool you'd ever need to work on it, for sure. Our son has a sport quad that we've had to do some work on too, mini bikes. I've helped other people on the trail. I wouldn't go anywhere without having a toolbox with us, and that kind of takes it out of the bottom and gives you some storage inside.